Welcome to Brain Vision.
In this problem, first I am writing the given equation. So in this problem we have given omega, that is angular velocity of circular disc, as 40 radian per second. Also we have given inclined angle theta is equal to tan inverse 3 by 4. So I can write tan theta is equal to 3 by 4. So here also we get sin theta is equal to 3 by 5 and cos theta is equal to 4 by 5. Now going forward and just writing the position of point P. So R can be written as 15I plus 16J minus 12K. Now I will just write the angular velocity vector. So omega can be written as 40 cos theta k plus 40 sin theta j, which is equal to 40 multiplication 4 by 5k plus 3 by 5j, which is equal to 32k plus 24j. Now velocity of point P, v is equal to omega multiplication r. So I can write the value as 32k plus 24j multiplication 15I plus 16j plus minus 12k. So on solving it, I get the value as 480j minus 512I minus 360k minus 288I. So on solving it, I can take 40 as common here. So I get minus 20I plus 12 minus 9, 12j and 9k in per second. So I can write v is equal to velocity of point P, v is equal to 40 multiplication minus 20I plus 12j minus 9k in per second. Now going ahead and calculating the acceleration of at point P. So I can write acceleration at point P A is equal to alpha r plus omega multiplication v. As alpha is equal to 0, because angular velocity is constant, so I can write A is equal to omega multiplication v. So just putting the value 32k plus 24j multiplication minus 800I plus 480j minus 360k. Going forward and simplifying it further, so I get the value as minus 24000 I cap minus 25600j plus 19200k. Now taking 1600 common, so I get the final value as A as minus 15I in the bracket minus 16j plus 12k in per second square. Now I will calculate the magnitude. So let it be R. R is equal to under root 15 square plus 16 square plus 12 square, which is equal to 25 in. Now going forward and solving it further, so I can write the value of V is equal to 40 multiplication under root 20 square plus 12 square plus 9 square. On solving it, I get 1000 in per second. So we get the value of A from equation 2 as under root 15 square plus 16 square plus 12 square multiplication 1600, which is equal to 4 0000 in per second square. Now I will calculate the value of V. So V is equal to R omega is equal to 15 multiplication 40, which is equal to 1000 in per second, and A is equal to R omega square is equal to 25 multiplication 40 square, which is equal to 40000 in per second square. So all value are checked here.